On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to get unlimited traffic to your affiliate links. As you can see on your screen, I've made $430.29 on Digistore24 using this same strategy that I'm about to show you. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your Digistore24 account. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote. You can see they have animals and pets, business and investment, and a whole lot of different categories. So whatever category that you want, you can just click on it and then select a product to promote. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you one of the products that is very simple to promote, and the best part is that you can get a lot of people to purchase the product for you to make money. You can see this product right here, the ultimate keto meal plan. This is the product that we are going to be promoting in this video. So now what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then copy your affiliate link. In case you are new to the product, you are going to see something like promote now. Once you see that, just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. If you want, you can just scroll down and then click on sales page so that you can see what the product is about. So as you can see, this is the sales page of the product. So this is the exact page that your potential customer is going to see before they purchase the product. You can see right here they have to watch a video, and you can see they have a pop-up page that will convince your potential buyers to purchase the product for you to make money. You can see this is the pop-up message. So let me just close it. That is what they are going to see. So if you want, you can just click right here to watch a full video of the product so that you can get more information about it. I've been promoting it, so I have a little bit information about it, so I don't need to watch it. But in your case, you have to watch it so that you can get some basic information about the product. So now once you watch the product, the next step is that you are going to come back and then copy your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to just highlight your affiliate link and then copy it. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to search for Catly.com. Once you search for Catly.com, you can see it right here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Catly is a URL shortener that you can use to shorten any link that you have. So we are going to use it to shorten our affiliate links. So just come right here and then paste your affiliate link. Once you paste it, click on shorten so that it can shorten the link for you. Once you click on shorten, you can see it has shortened the link. So we now have a beautiful link that we can promote. So now the next step is that we are going to promote this particular link so that we can get people to purchase the product on Digistore24 for us to make money. So you have to click right here, copy it, so that you can copy your shorter link. So once you copy it, the next step is that we are going to open a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you have to sign up for one. It is free. You don't need to pay for anything. So just search gmail.com. Once you search for that, you can create your free Gmail account so that you can be using this particular strategy. Once you create your Gmail account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see settings. Just click on it. Once you click on the settings, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, see all settings. Once you click on see all settings, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, vacation responder. You can see vacation responder off. You can see vacation responder on. So what you are going to do is that you are going to turn it on. So just select right here, vacation responder on. What we are going to do is that we are going to paste a default message here so that anyone who sends us an email, this particular Gmail account will automatically respond to the person. You don't need to do it yourself. You just have to put a default message here, and Gmail will automatically be responding to people who will send you a message. So now what you have to do is that you have to type your subject here. In this case, we can just type get your recipe now. So something like this. Once that is done, you are going to type your message here. So you can type any message that you want. In this case, I just want to type something like, please click here to get access to the keto meal plan now. So just something like this. This is just a call to action. Okay, please click here. So let me just type, please click here. Please click here to get access to the keto meal plan now. So this is a call to action. So now once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to highlight this, or you can highlight the whole text. So just highlight the whole of this. Once you highlight it, you are going to come right here. You can see link. Just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see right here to what URL should this link go. So you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. The affiliate link that you copied, you are going to paste it right here. So just paste it. Let me show you where it is. This link that we shorten, you are going to just copy it and then come and paste it right here. So once you paste your link, the next step is that you are going to click on OK. Once you click on OK, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, save changes. So just click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, you can see vacation settings. So it is now on. Anyone who send you an email will get an automatic response from this particular Gmail account. So make sure you create a new Gmail account so that you can use it for this purpose. Once you have your settings on your Gmail, the next step is that you are going to search for TikTok. So just search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, you are going to see a page like this. Once you are on TikTok, what you have to do is that just search for weight loss with keto. Just search for something like this, weight loss with keto, something like this. Once you type something like this, just click right to search so that you can search for keto videos. Once you click on search, you can see there are many videos that you can use. You can see this particular video right here. It has 5.2 million views. You can see this one has 1.3 million views. You can see this one has a lot of views. You can see this one too, it has a lot of views. You can see many other videos that are getting thousands of views. You can see this one too, thousands of views. You can see thousands of views. You can see thousands of views and many others. As I scroll, you can see all these videos are getting thousands of views and millions of views. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to download one of these videos. In this case, we are going to download the first one. So just click on it. Once you click on the video, you can see this is how it looks like. So now the next step is that we are going to download this particular video. So just come on Google and then search for TikTok video download without watermark. Once you search for that, you are going to see a whole lot of different websites that you can use to download TikTok videos without any watermark. So we are going to use the first one. Just click on it so that you can download the TikTok video without any watermark. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Just come back on TikTok. Once you come back, you can see this is the link to the video. So just click right here, copy link. Once you click on copy link, you can see it has been copied. Just come back and then paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click right here, download. Once you click on download, you can see this is the video. Click right here, download, so that it can be saved onto your device. Once you download the video, you are going to search for canva.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Canva is a graphic designing website that you can use to design anything that you want. You can use it to edit videos. You can use it to create any design that you want. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to use it to edit the video. So you can just come right here, click on video, so that you can use this particular template. But in this case, what we want to do is that we are going to create a YouTube short video. So you can just search for Instagram Reels. They are of the same size, so you can use any of the templates to edit your video. So what we are going to do is that just search for Instagram Reels, so something like this, Instagram Reels. So just search for that. Once you search for that, you can see a whole lot of different templates that you can use. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to create a blank Instagram reel. We want to create from scratch, so just select that. If you want, you can select any of the templates, but in this case I want to create from scratch, so just click on it. Once you open the blank template, now what we are going to do is that you are going to upload your video right here. So just come right here and then click on uploads. Once you click on uploads, you are going to come right here and then select upload files. Once you click on upload files, you are going to select your video and then click on open so that it can be uploaded. As you can see right here, the video is uploading, so we are going to wait for it to upload. So as you can see, it has been fully uploaded. The next step is that you are going to click on the video. So just click on the video right here so that it can appear right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see right here the video is 54 seconds. As you can see it right here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to drag it downwards. Just drag it downwards, make it fill this same size. As you can see, we don't need to create a new page, because if you create a new page, the video length is going to be more than what we expect. So just leave it like this. Once you have your video like this, the next step is that you are going to come right here and then click on text. Once you click on text, you are going to select this option right here, add a heading. Once you click on add a heading, you are going to drag it and then paste it right here. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to type a call to action right here. So just delete everything and then type your call to action. Our call to action is going to be something like email me to get access to keto meal plans. So keto meal plans, something like this. you can make it 7-day keto meal plan or 30 days. So let's add that. So something like this. So let's drag it upwards. As you can see, that has been done. So we are going to decrease the size of this particular text. So just highlight it, come right here and then decrease the size of the text. Just decrease the size of the text so that it can be visible. We want it to be visible to our potential viewers, as you can see. So make sure you decrease it so that it can be visible. So you are going to leave it like something like this. If you want, you can increase it, but I think this is okay. Once you have it like this, you can change the background so that the text can stand out. So if you want to change the background of the text, you can just come right here, click on background. Once you click on background, you are going to select any of these backgrounds. So just select any of them. I think this is okay. Email me to get. Okay, let's add that to get. Email me to get. I think this is okay. So email me to get access to 30 days keto meal plan. So something like this. I think this is okay. So now the next step is that you are going to add your emails. So just drag your text upwards. Once you drag your text, so now you are going to come back on the Gmail that you set on vacation responder. So once you come back, you are going to copy your email address. So just click right here so that you can copy your email address. You can see this is your email address. Just highlight and copy your email address. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. To paste it, you are going to come right here, click on text. Once you click on text, select add a heading. Once that is done, you are going to drag it upwards. Just drag it upwards and then delete this text. Just delete this text and then paste your email right here. As you can see, that has been done. We are going to decrease the font size of the email address. So just highlight it, come right here and then decrease the font size. Decrease the font size so that it can be visible. I think that is okay. As you can see, this is the email address. So let's drag it small. As you can see, that has been done. So anyone who watch this particular video, they can email you through this particular email address, and once they email you, Gmail is going to automatically respond to that person so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. So you can click right here to preview your video. So just click right here. Once you click on it,
salad recipe helps
you can see
in your
this is how it is going to appear.
It's easy to make.
As you can see, that is done. Once you have your video, the next step is that you are going to click right here, download. Once you click on download, you are going to select right here, download again, so that it will be downloaded onto your PC. As you can see, this is the video, it is downloading. Once you download the video, the next step is that you are going to upload it to different platforms so that you can get people to view it and then send you a message through this particular Gmail account. Once they send you an email, this particular Gmail account will keep on responding to them. You can upload the video on TikTok again, you can upload it on Instagram Reels, you can upload it on Facebook. I just search for weight loss on YouTube. So let me just scroll down to the short section of it so that you can see under the shorts, this video has got nearly 1 million views. You can see this one has got 1.1 million views. You can see this one has got over 700,000 views. You can see this one over 600,000 views. Let me just click on it for you to see. You can see this one has got 3 million views. You can see 43 million views. You can see 90 million views. So now what you have to do is that you have to upload it onto YouTube so that you can get people to view it. Even if you get less than millions of views, you can still get many people who are going to view the video and then send you an email to get access to the offer. Once they send you an email and get access to your link, they are going to purchase the product for you to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to upload it onto YouTube. To upload the video onto YouTube, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can create one for free. You are not going to pay for anything, so make sure you create an account if you don't have one. Once you click on create, you are going to select this option right here, upload video. Once you click on upload video, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, select files. Once you click on select files, you are going to select your video and then upload it. Just select it, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded. As you can see, the video is uploaded right now. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to give it a nice title so that you can get people to view it. You can just type something like lose weight fast with keto. Just something like this, lose weight fast with keto, hashtag shorts. So just something like that, hashtag shorts, something like this. You can see YouTube shorts are getting millions of views. You can see it right here. So just select shorts. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to tag your video so that it can get a lot of views. So just scroll down right here. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on show more. Once you click on show more, you can see right here tag. So you are going to tag your video so that your video will be ranked for people to view. So just come right here, copy the title of your video, just copy it, just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to search for this particular website, rapidtax.io. just search for this particular website. Once you search for it, you are going to click right here, use tools for free. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your title right here so that this particular website can generate tags for you. Once you paste your title, click on search, and this particular website is going to generate tags for you. As you can see, these are the tags. Just click right here, copy. Once you copy it, you're going to come back on YouTube and then paste your tags right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see these are the tags of the video. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see these two options right here. Just select no, it is not made for kids. The video is not for kids, so just select that. Once you select that, you are going to scroll upwards. You can write a brief description about the videos. You can use ChatGPT to write the video description for you. If you want, you can do it yourself. In this case, I want ChatGPT to write it for me, so just highlight and copy the title of your video. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come on ChatGPT and then instruct it to write a description for you. So just type something like write a description for this YouTube video title, something like this, and then paste your title right here. Once you paste your title, just click right here, search, and it's going to write a brief description for you. As you can see, it is writing a description for your video. You can see everything. Is going to write a simple description for you. Once you have your description, just highlight and copy everything. Highlight and copy it. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Just paste it as a description. So now the video has been optimized for views. So you are going to be getting many people who view this video and then take the right action for you to make money. So just click right here, next, so that you can publish the video onto the platform. Once you click on next, click on next again. Once you click on next, you can see right here, no issues found. So there are no copyright issues. Just click right here, next. Once you click on next, you are going to select public so that your video will be available for everyone. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, publish, and your video is going to go live onto the platform for people to view it and then take the right action for you to be making money on Digistore24. So make sure you keep on publishing different videos, keep on publishing many videos so that you can get many people to click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money for free without buying any traffic. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.